Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to turn this really old blowout into this beautiful perm rod set. And today I'm going to be using the Aunt Jackie's styling foam. And usually I'm actually kind of cautious when I'm using foams because I usually feel like they make my hair dry, but for once my hair actually felt moisturized, and I only used this one product. And honestly, from now on, I'm only going to use one product when I do my perm rod set as well, because I got such amazing results. It was quick, it was easy, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how I got this beautiful look. So I'm taking medium-sized sections and I'm going to go row by row because I feel like for some reason it just looks so much better, the final result. It's kind of more uniform and have more volume all around. And so I'm just taking like a handful of foaming mousse and just kind of saturating that all around my head. Not too much so my hair doesn't really revert, but just enough to give it some hold. So I try to take equal-sized sections, but if I am using a bigger section, I will use like that blue perm rod because it does hold more hair. And so I kind of like when there's like a little bit of different textures and different sizes throughout the hair. I feel like I get more better results when it's not all uniform because they don't stick together as much as if I use the same size perm rods. So I just go ahead and twist it up and just secure it, and it's pretty easy. I love this hairstyle because it's super easy, and I love how the blowout turns out. Not only does it turn out with more volume and more shine, but it only takes like a day for it to dry. Unlike when I do it on wet hair, it takes over 2 days to dry, and nobody got time for that, you know what I mean? So this is what it looks like, and I make sure to actually section the perm rods in the front going forward because again, I get more volume that way as well, and then you don't have to kind of deal with like a part that you have to kind of manipulate too much, because I like the afro style and I like volume in the front of my hair. And so the next day I take them out, but I put a little bit of oil onto my hands just so that when I'm picking them out, it will prevent some frizz or eliminate some of the frizz. And basically I go ahead and I separate as much as possible without having too much frizz. But the more you separate, definitely the more volume you get. But I like to kind of keep my curl pattern intact because I do want my style to last as long as possible. So that's when I go in with either an afro pick or a wide tooth comb to get some volume. So I go ahead and pick out my hair as much as possible, and it makes such a big difference, you guys. Like, the volume is just crazy with this hairstyle, which I love so much. So I keep picking it out until I like the desired look. And you guys, I'm actually in shock with the results because I'm telling you guys, my hair has not looked this good in a perm rod set in a while. So let me know in the comments below, have you guys ever used this product before? I really love it. It gave me volume, it gave me hold, gave me definition, gave me some shine as well, and it did not dry out my hair at all. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about my results. You guys think they turned out good? Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, if you guys like my video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.